What's up, guys? This is your boy Mark with Mark's Kitchen, here with another episode.
We're really getting there with the stash, dude.
Today what we're gonna be making is a little bit of a scavenger hunt meal. Literally just went in my fridge, found a couple things, and I was like, desperate times call for desperate measures. Your breath is gonna stink for about a week after you eat this thing. There is no way that this is how you say pasta with cream sauce in Italian. Pasta con... yeah, what? Pasta con salsa de pana. Salsa de pana. That's what it says, dude. Pasta. Pasta. Here's what you need to start making that Parmesan cream sauce. In this kitchen, we cook our noodles al dente. We throw the pasta in the sauce right away. Let it simmer for a little bit. It's gonna be real now right there, all right? Bring your pasta water to a roaring boil. Salt in. This water should taste like the ocean. Rigatoni in. Cook for about 10 minutes. Gonna put some olive oil in our pan. Gonna roast about a tablespoon of garlic. Crack about a teaspoon black pepper in this. Add a pint of heavy whipping cream. Continuously stir. Add about 6 tablespoons of butter. Stir it in. Sprinkle in a little oregano. Starts getting thicker, throw in a Parmesan cheese. When you can drag your spoon through the sauce and it parts the sea, you're ready to go. We're gonna toss this pasta right in the pan. Toss it with this beautiful sauce. Woo! Look at that pasta, boy. First bite, this looks so good. This cream sauce is unbelievable. Yeah, this is pretty bomb. See what magic you can make just with what's in your fridge left over? This is where it's at. Thanks for tuning in to Mark's Kitchen. Make sure to smash that subscribe button. And you already know what they say. You can do it in Mark's Kitchen. You can do it in your kitchen. Peace.
Oh, it's still going.
Weird. This is gonna be real nice right there, all right? We're gonna make a, what should I call this sauce, dude? Pasta fagioli. Pasta. I don't know about you, but I get excited every time I get Make sure to kick, like punch, do whatever you need to do to smash that subscribe button. Make sure if you like this video that you go on YouTube and literally click the make sure to roundhouse the subscribe button. Like a big pizza pie, that's a boy. That's a wrap, dude.